Have you taken an oath of office to uphold the U.S. Constitution?
Many times. I'm going to answer that more thoroughly. I'm going to answer that very, very clearly. Because the first time I took an oath to support and defend the Constitution, I was 22 years old when I was sworn in as a second lieutenant in the United States Marine Corps. The next time I took an oath to support and defend the Constitution and the laws of the state of Florida was when I was sworn as an assistant state attorney in the 7th Judicial Circuit of Florida. And then the most recent time I swore an oath was when I swore to support and defend and protect the Constitution and the laws of the United States and the state of Florida to serve in this court. So yes, I've taken an oath many times.
Then are you bound by that oath?
And I've reaffirmed that oath, my military oath, every time that I've been promoted.
Are you bound by that oath in every ruling in this case?
Absolutely.
All right, even the one that you just stopped me from doing?
Absolutely.
Right. All right, so does your oath require you to uphold the rights of the people before enforcing statutes?
Yes.
All right, then if a statute conflicts with the constitutional right, your duty is to uphold the right, correct?
If a statute conflicts with a
Constitutional right, it's your duty to uphold the right, correct?
I have an obligation to ensure that the statute does not conflict with the Constitution. There are higher courts that can determine whether my legal decisions about that are right or wrong.
It's based on fact, not your opinion, just for the record. Do you have that oath on file, and can you produce it for the record?
I'm not going to entertain giving you a copy of the oath now.
Would you be willing?
You can seek the process. You know how to do public records requests.
Will you be willing to?
I'm answering your question. Stop talking. I'm entertaining this circus that you are.
It's just a yes or no answer.
That you are engaging in right now.
It's just a yes or no answer.
Stop arguing with me. You obviously know how to initiate a public records request under Chapter 119. You can seek out whatever records that you need to seek out from the Florida Bar or the Judicial Qualifications Commission or the Florida Supreme Court or the 8th Judicial Circuit to determine whether or not you can have a copy of my oath of office. Certainly, you may go about doing that.
Are you willing to state it for the record on the oath?
Hand it to you.
Are you ready? Are you willing to state your oath on the record?
I am not going to entertain this process anymore.
Let the record show that the judge refused to honor his oath.
I'm done with this little charade. Okay, Mr. Salter, you're still appointed to this case.
Yes, sir, Your Honor. I have not had any contact with Ms. Williams since you appointed me a couple of court dates ago. I'm asking for a continuance to the September docket.
Okay. I assume you don't want his services.
No, I don't. I waived that long ago.
Are you going to go through the questions with me here today in order for me to determine whether or not?
No, because you don't have jurisdiction to do that.
Okay. You're going to be either brought to trial or enter a plea one way or the other.
Go ahead and set the trial.
Okay.